Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on KuCoin. In my previous video of KuCoin, I was showing you a huge breakout from the falling wedge pattern that has happened on the weekly time frame chart. And right now, if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after this breakout, the price is still moving above the resistance of this wedge and this support of $47.20. And in today's video, we will once again take a look at this move. And I would also like to share with you a very big harmonic bullish reversal setup that KuCoin has formed on the monthly time frame chart as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal of KuCoin that I shared, by the way, in the month of January 2023, on 24th of January 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that KuCoin formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then this time the price line slightly moved down than this potential reversal zone, but recovered very soon, and then we had a very big pump. That was, by the way, more than 37% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I've already shared a very big harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that has been formed on the monthly time frame chart. And by the way, I shared this idea in the month of June 2022 with my members, and you can see that here we have our buying zone that goes to And by the way, I shared this idea with my members in the month of June 2022, and you can see if I play this chart, then the price line is still moving inside this potential reversal zone and moving sideways here. And now if we take a look at the targets for this garlic move, then the targets are here from $261 and goes to $402 as per the Fibonacci sequence of this garlic move. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then here we have a very huge falling wedge pattern formation, and recently we have broken out the resistance in the month of January 2023. And if I place this measurement tool from this low of November up till this high of Feb 2023, then you can see so far KuCoin has rallied more than 152%. And now during this price correction, the price line has recently broken down this support once again that we have here at $60. Previously during this rally we broke out this resistance, and now we have broken out this level as a support and tested this next support of $47.20. Now if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, then here on the daily time frame chart, KuCoin few days ago broke down the support of this falling wedge pattern, but you can see that we have a very long-term support here at $47.20 that I was showing you here. The price line tested this support and could not move more down and break down this support. Now if we switch to the more smaller time frame chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart, then here we can see that the price line has formed another descending triangle. Here we have the downtrend line resistance, and here we have a horizontal support, and this is the resistance. You can see that we have several touch points at the resistance and several bounces from the support as well. And right now you can see it is likely to have another bounce, and this time the resistance will be somewhere here very close to $57 or $58. Now if the price line breaks out the resistance of this triangle, then the target after the breakout can be here. That will be approximately at $64. And if we move back here and let's take a look at this next resistance that we have here at $60, that is a quite long-term resistance, by the way. You can see previously it was breaking as a support here, support here, support, and now it is breaking as a very strong resistance for the price line for the past several weeks. And you can see if the price line reaches here to hit the target for this breakout, that is at $64, then it can also break out this long-term resistance on the weekly time frame chart that we have here at $60 as well. Now if we take a look at the final target for this breakout from this falling wedge pattern that is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately at $500. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.